You and her still in a things? And you and her can't still in a nothing first of all. Just stop playing with me. Why bother?
I play with you, babe.
Watch ya!
Before we start this video, I want to give a big shout out to Serenity Sher. Me and her a literal schoolmate. Big up yourself, Sher. Go subscribe, check out her content. She new to YouTube, you know, so you know have to go give her some real good encouragement. We have good people over here, so Sher. Good people. The link over there at the top of the comments. Check it out. Make sure you know it's a Razablade senior, our schoolmate. Now let's start the video. Alright, so this is the intro doing after the prank, cause see the engine of the car. So my tricker say my ex I get married and I feel a way about it. People, this is a banger. Like up the video, spam up the comments, Team Razablade. Let's start the video.
You remember I kept your name Rosie?
Yeah, what me tell you about?
That's the cat today, yeah. You want to move, come up there?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell us I'm my ex.
Yeah, today I know so the cat my brother.
Stop tell lie, Rosie tell me say she not ready for no commitment, brother.
No, they said the cat married you. I mean I said, oh my god. Did you know that? They say you cat enough from the virgin you with my youth. You wanna tell me I say at least your ex, you know you that day or maybe do the picture them and thing. After me, I'm
no, but me not expect that from Rosie. That Rosie tell me personally say she not ready for no commitment.
Say that the cat married you. The cat married.
Watch out. Yeah, hear me? Watch out, it's too early for pranking. I mean, you eat no food from the morning, no G. A real thing?
I'm not talking about my youth. I tell you the cat married my youth. I tell you I'm here and for a bedroom go the picture them dog. I tell you the picture them can't send a brother. Cat he can't look good in the brother. Oh, cute.
Stop touch me, man.
What?
Yo. No, I can't call you back.
Oh, I'm going.
No, I call you back, bro. I call you back. I call you back. No. Hold on. I call you back. Yo, Rosie, not tell me.
But why bother you so much?
Eh?
Why bother you so much?
Even I can understand.
Why me not gonna understand? Me understand everything else. Why me think me wouldn't understand now? Why bother you so much?
Me, but you know say bother me.
So why your face looks so like a smell shit or something?
Yeah,
why you make up your face so? Just why bother you so much?
Oh, Rose, if you go take a beat if you go married.
And now your ex?
Babe, she tell me say she not ready for no commitment and now she got married.
So you and her did have conversation?
Like how normal people do, baby, no matter if an ex or normal person, we just did a text.
So you wouldn't propose to me and we got married?
Yeah, babe. So what
what's wrong with her getting married?
She never ready for no man yet.
Oh, you know that?
She tell me say she don't want a commitment yet. She tell me say she a wait.
This sounds serious. It sound way more than ex.
Yo, woman wicked, you know?
More than uno? More than uno? More than uno, man? Why bother you so much? Why bother you so much? I hear a girl. I hear a girl and the style. You and her still in a things? And you and her can't still in a nothing first of all. Just stop playing with me. Why bother you?
I play with you, babe.
Watch ya!
You know that's your blade.
Let me tell you this, stop playing with me. Just stop playing with me. Why you go sit down and ball? Just you idiot. Just not ball, you ball. A ball, you ball. You a fool. Okay. Oh. Okay, so now you know what feel like. So you sit down yourself ball over your ex getting married. Shut up and
Yo, stop letting me know, man.
What you about for?
What you letting me for?
But what you about for? You a fool? No, you're not in a things. You're not the inner things. Jason Ball really stung yourself ball because your ex get married. Jason Ball really stung yourself ball. Jason Ball really a ball.
No cry. Yes,
Jason, yes, you cry. That's water. That is water come out of your eye. Jason, this person did a who?
I did my high school sweetheart.
You still in a something?
No.
So why you cry? Why not be happy for her?
Me happy for her, you know.
No, you don't look happy.
Yes, me
Are tears of joy them there?
Yes.
Those are not tears of joy. Them there when you're sad and disappointed. Me know them there yeah water there.
Me happy, babe, me happy. Me happy, see?
You need to attend her wedding and go object then if you feel so. The 2 pound one are the bigger one where you wait there. I'm kinda confused. So the 1 pound one I did in the small container and the 2 pound one I did bro, me friggin' me can't bother. Like me disappointed. See, you serious about me, are you? What we have? Cause at this point me confused. Well, what me and you have? Because after 5 years, I'm not supposed to fear question this because you just get cast to your ex and married and you sit down in front of me a ball.
Maybe no say I go let me know have feelings.
But Jason, why can't you be happy?
I am happy.
But why you still gonna cry like you
because the tears of joy, me know.
Those are not tears of joy. Them they look like you're sad. You do feel like you stand a chance with the person same way?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
My idiot. You do feel like you stand a chance? You feel like you stand a chance with the person? Then why build up my hopes? I say you want to live double life? If I that you want, you can tell me because I can walk you like a dog. Why you always hurt my feelings? Why you always hurt my feelings, Jason? Are you still a cry? You want something to cry for?
I want nothing to cry for, man. Tell us me happy this attack that. Me happy,
so why you cry? Bro, you hardly even ever cry. So why you still don't cry because your ex get married? It hurt you that much? This is somebody where you gonna get over then? Bro, you not even cry. You rarely cry. Me can't tell how much time I ever see you cry. Are you still gonna start cry because your ex get married? Why you hurt my feelings? So you say if somebody's feelings get hurt down? Imagine if me did I cry and me supposed to cry.
I'm gonna block her.
Why you gonna even block her if you're happy for her? Why you gonna block her?
You lie, man. After you tell me say yo, you not married, I go get up and married.
So this is somebody where you've been and have a conversation with?
Babe, just like normal people.
Why it hurts so much? Why does it hurt so
babe, just
much?
like a woman, if man take their virginity, is like, oh, every time they see them, oh,
you're still in love with her?
Babe, it was a back then love, babe, but it still hurt.
So should you feel so when you did propose to me?
Yeah, she cried too.
So you guys not get over each other then? You have something where you need to probably settle. Sorry.
But you're not married already.
Stop.
Why the hell do I look at crying over my ex?
Why you always hurt my feelings?
Oh my god, we love that camera. I need to just flip up the screen. Camera record all the time. Shut boo with you see your box me 2 times? Alright. So when you asleep?
But you still you start crying, you hardly ever cry over your ex.
Why do I look like crying over my ex?
So why you did I cry a while ago then?
Because I was pranking you, babe.
Babe, you cry so easy? I say you're wicked.
Who love ball like you?
But my cry genuine.
You know some.
So, babe, you still you start cry?
Okay,
babe, I style I'll use. Babe, you still you start cry a while ago, so?
Babe.
Afraid of you.
What?
Yes, mommy. Baby, sling this and cry some.
Babe, I was pranking you. Why you so
Cry.
Yo, it work, you know. I don't know why Angel was Angel there saw custom, there saw bar for nothing for some wicked. What do you do something text Travis? Look, if you think I like better, come on, ball over nobody.
Yo. You see?
Help me with that
You
prank.
see when you say?
Hey.
You see when you say? This when you say, if you have a ball, and you say yes. When everyone laugh, I feel laugh, you say. Then you say, you're going to pull off on the road and just start back.
I tell you.
So baby, sling yourself back for you for nothing.
For nothing at all. That's how you go.
I wish you the world, wish you the angel.
Not go say yeah, bro. But wicked like woman. Yo, you shot me all two boxes out behind them swell.
Because what you there cry for?
So, lad, you pull off on the road.
No, me there online I go buy some food, so I just use the opportunity there.
Oh, see you chat, man.
Yo.
I feel that, man.
Yo, bro, respect you. Yeah, we chat after this. We soon link you. I'm gonna finish ball. Yo, team.
Me can't believe you sling yourself back for nothing.
So you big son and a joke.
Yeah, it's a joke, but
But what?
babe, how much you ever do
It's
this
not
to
normal.
me?
It's not normal.
How much you ever do that
Do
to
what?
me? Sit down and cry for nothing.
What me I sit down and ball for nothing for?
Like you tell me say you feel hurt and you start force cry. So it's easy for you force cry?
No.
We should give you something for cry for.
You the box me on my face 2 times. Yeah, yo, you see what? You see what? See you? Leg off for me. You get already, man. Relax yourself.
Yo, baby, that just that's weird.
Allow me to end my video now. How much likes me can get for this?
Give him 10,000, give him 10K. Cause I first Mrs. Somebody snung on ball so.